Kubor Kabatisi TV. Lawan Rashapi dak Modrina Auto Enterprises, Maulai Nongkwar TSS Road Shillong, Ringkat ka 3 Olives Restaurant, M Crown Hotel, Kendaila Shillong, bat ka Orange Nissan Lumso Po Shillong. One bantit ya ka Kali Datsun Ready Go Batamai, kabas kem bat bidor.
Nongelam jo kaliang persya ke ying dor bar thawan ke jila Meghalaya Dr. Mukul Sangma ulakop ya ke sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance hapo ke jingelam jong Konrad Kongkal Sangma kum menteri rangba ba un no ya ke jili jong kasan perthai lada ke sorkar MDA kala men pinsisha ba udawyong baladepti udang don hadu laipu arlak metric ton haki dipo ne ki jaka balalum thom Dr. Mukul lapen pau ya ke ni ka kentien habakran sigila pathai kubor haka arpulai teri urisa orajar arpo hadien belawai ke jingelang jongka Congress Legislature Party.
They have shown paperwork, everything. It's well scripted modus operandi. Well scripted. There must be a wonderful script writer to engage his dean activities, and they must be well paid. These script writers, very well scripted. Okay, somebody has to file an FIR, then somebody will go and do inquiry, and they will say that okay, this is unclaimed coal. And then they go for auction. Then what happens? What is the modus operandi? Modus operandi is that with this issue of challan, they will keep on transferring one after another truck. It's not just one truck. You just watch, go to this Moran Krang Road today. Go to Shillong bypass. Watch how many trucks will go with 12 tires wala. What is the total quantity of coal indicated in the challan? 9 tons? 12 tons? Have you seen trucks carrying 9 tons of coal anywhere? Who are they cheating? If this is not money laundering, then what it is? Where is this royalty going? Who the hell is getting this royalty? It should come to government exchequer. Today you see the district council's problem. What is happening in district council? They're crying for resources. Jante is autonomous district council. Garo is autonomous district council. These royalty shares are supposed to take care of the resources need of these autonomous district councils. They are destroying our autonomous district councils. They're destroying our state. I am telling every citizen of this state, come and stand in the national highway and find out how many trucks are going with 9 metric ton challan and how many challans are being sealed. Who is weighing it? Is there weightman going on? There was a guideline issued by Honorable NGT as to how the coal should be transported. That guideline is not being followed. That guideline is not being followed, and the officers who are responsible to implement these guidelines are the Chief Secretary and the DGP. How much of money that should have come to government exchequer has been ultimately siphoned off through this modus operandi. Now, it is not possible for one individual to do it. There is a complete machinery which is involved. That's why you see rampant transfer, repeated transfer and posting of officers. And I would like to warn these officers, if they go on acting as an agent of these corrupt politicians, God help them. Because we are not going to allow state to be looted. We will take recourse to legal action. And to prove things beyond reasonable doubt, the act of corruption which I am placing before all of you is that we are going to see on the spot, see from ground zero, and tell the world that look what is truth. It's not a mere allegation. We have watched them. We have been vigilant. We have tried to correct them. Number of times we have drawn the attention of the government. Did you see any response? I saw the Chief Minister just recently saying people have to change their mindset. What is he telling people have to change their mindset about this transportation of coal. If anybody can go and prove that this 32,000 coal has not been lifted and they're still there, I will quit politics. In East Giant Hills, what is the total quantity of coal which was required to be auctioned based on the inventory which was submitted by the government before the Honorable Supreme Court? And what is the quantity in Southwest Khas Hills? What is the quantity in West Khas Hills? What is the quantity in South Garo Hills? Then as far as this Nenkra is concerned, the notification which was issued by the Director of Mineral Resources on the 16th October 2020. Challan numbering total from specific number to specific number I can give you. Okay? For total quantity of 34,074 metric ton. Issued on 16th of October this year, means this month. 16th instant. With this challan, what is this man going to do? Because there is no 34,000 coal. This challan will be used to carry illegally mined coal from other districts. That's why you have seen that the route, interesting, the route indicated here is that Nenkra, Rongjeng, Nongstoin, Shillong, Guwahati. From Nenkra, the coal truck will come via Nongstoin, via Shillong to Guwahati. And as I have said, there are no 34,000 metric ton in Nenkra. In that particular identified depot, the officers have given me yesterday all the coordinates. No 34,000. What is this challans? I will ask the Chief Secretary to ask for the challans first and then verify this. Because this is continuation of the modus operandi to facilitate illegal mining, and they don't want resumption of legal mining as per the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court.